friends, this is Raman from tradingwithvenus.com. Today I wanted to show another example of one of the trades that we took in the trade room. And the purpose of doing this video is to really break down the trade that was taken, why it was taken, what it looked like in real time, and how the trade played out. So we'll go through all those steps to really understand how to take these entries, what goes through a person's mind when we are taking these entries, what they actually look like in real time rather than just looking back at them. So we'll take a look at this trade, but before we dive in, just a quick disclaimer here. This is for educational purposes only. Trading is a risky business and there is an opportunity to lose money every time we enter into a trade. So please be careful with your trading. So let's dive in. The trade that was taken was pound yen trade. This was a short trade, and the setup that it was based on was the double top trade setup. So here we have this support resistance area at 145.35 area, and as you can see, price had come into this area and then bounced off of that, and then again price had revisited this area, and for the last little while here wasn't able to break it. We had nice bearish engulfing candlestick off of that, so that's what the entry was based on. So this is where we entered the trade. And this is what the chart looked like in real time. So this was the chart that I had posted in the trade room. As we can see, price had gone down, gone back here, and then gone into the support resistance area, coming all the way from here, bounced off of that level, and then had gone to retest the same level once again. And we had our bearish engulfing candle close here. So after this, I was looking for price to come down here, this being the first target, and then I was looking for it to come all the way down into this previous support level, which was also our S1 level from the pivot point perspective. So this is what price looked like in real time. I was looking at the support resistance area, first part of the double top, and then here once price rejected this level once again, so that completed our double top pattern, and then I was looking for the price to drop. And the way I send out alerts is through Twitter here, or also through Skype. So on September 12th here, so this was the trade, 145.20 was the entry, and then take profit target was 144.55, which is the target we looked at, which was our S1, just above our S1 here. Now let's take a look at what it really played out as in real time. So going back to this after the fact chart, we can see this was the first leg of the double top here, and this was the second leg, and we see this bearish engulfing candle close here. Price had rejected this level, and this is where the entry was. Now price did go and test this level once again, and when I talk about leaving some room for the trade to breathe, this is why, because sometimes price will try to go through that level and they try to grab the stops from the other side. So if our stop is right there, the chances are very high that it will get stopped out. So in this case here, price just hung around for a period of time, and then finally it decided to move around. It took a while, but finally came down here. Now the take profit target was lower at 144.55 level, but then price just got stuck here. It would not break below. It just kept going sideways, and then so I finally decided to just exit that trade out, because a lot of times when this happens, this is the opposite of this right here. When this happens, chances are it's going to move higher, and as we can see, it did try to go a little bit lower here, but then pushed up higher here. So this is the setup that we were trading, and as we can see, we just exited the trade out at plus 40 pips. It's better to get out of the trade with some profit as opposed to just giving it all back. So just to recap here, the trade setup that we had looked at was double top trade setup. Price had come into the support resistance area, which if we were to go back and take a look at it, it was coming from all the way over here. So this was the level that price had come into. Once the price came into this level, it had bounced off. So the trade was taken the second time around when price bounced off of this level. The entry was at the close of that red bearish engulfing candle here, and stop loss was up there, and we were looking for price to drop. As we can see, didn't quite hit the profit target of 144.55, but we were able to exit the trade at a 144.80 level there, booking 40 pips in profit. So our profit was 40 pips, or if you were trading one standard lot, that would mean $400 in profit. If you enjoyed this video and would like to join me in the trade room, I am currently running a special promotion. As part of the trade room, you get access to the weekly market overview that I do every Sunday. You also get to join my private Skype group where I share my trade ideas and commentary as the live market unfolds. I also provide live trade setups and live entries with stop loss and take profit targets, as well as you get access to the daily market analysis call that we do every evening, and we go through over 20 pairs and we look for the best trade setups in those pairs, and you will get levels that you can take trades from yourself as well. Even if you're not taking my trades that I call, you can take your own trades based on the analysis that we do together. There's also a members only webinar every Friday. This is an educational webinar, and this is where I pick a topic every Friday that I think will be meaningful to the members of the trade room, and I go in depth into that topic. As a bonus, you will get the pivot point indicator with this. Then the cost of that is $97 if you were to just buy it on its own. Plus, you get my Learn to Trade Forex course. So this is the course that I sell on my website for $497, which you get as a free bonus for signing up for this. Now, the cost for this promotion is $997 a year. Generally, I was charging $97 a month. So just for the trade room, it would have cost you $1,200 for the year. But this way, you only pay $997 for the entire year. So you get 2 months free trade room access, as well as you get the Forex course, which is worth $497, as well as my pivot point indicator and the pivot point course that goes with it. This is a great deal because as of end of September, the prices will go up. I am changing a few things in my business and changing the focus a little bit. So I will not have any monthly promotions for the trade room because it just creates too much churn for me and takes my focus away from trading. So going forward, the regular price for the trade room plus the course will be $3,000. I'm revamping the course, adding more mindset type of stuff, more fundamentals, and a little bit more advanced trading strategies as part of the trading course. So basically revamping the entire course. So if you sign up now, you will get access to the new course as well as part of this. So great deal, a great time to join the trade room. Right now, we are coming into some great trading months. September through December tend to be good trading months. So this is a good time for us to get back into trading and good time to make some money. So if you would like to join me, you can go to this link here, bit.ly/yearly trade room. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll be back with another trade setup very soon.